Okay, we are going to talk about LiveGood on this video. And if you have subscribed to my channel, man, I appreciate it. And this video pertains to how to promote products that we sell and make sure that you get, linked in, locked in. If somebody does order or sign up as an affiliate, that you get the credit of that, okay? And it all comes down to your username. So a lot of people don't know about this. The company is slowly but surely building unique websites for a product so that if you want to post it, let's say on Facebook, and you just want to talk about super reds, super greens, or one of our products, and it's a nice looking link. It has a nice picture. If people click it to look into it and they want to buy it either retail or maybe they want to get a membership and buy products wholesale, of course you want to be able to get the credit for that. So you're not just blasting up a picture of a product and they click it and they blindly just go into LiveGood without your username and your link to that, okay? So I'll just explain what I mean, and I think you guys will get it, because at the end of the day, it just comes down to a link, and it's pretty simple, all right? So let me go ahead and shrink my face here. Okay, now, this is your LiveGood website, okay? If you're not in LiveGood, it looks like this. Now, look on the left of my screen. I'm on a home computer, so this is what it looks like. If you're on a cell phone, it always looks a little different. See where it says shop? You always go to shop or products. Depends if you're locked in or not. If you're logged in, then it'll say shop. And if you're just farting around, it'll say products. But anyway, let's go ahead and use, this is one of my favorite items. I really love vanilla anything, vanilla shakes, vanilla ice cream. Well, we do have vanilla flavored protein. And this is complete plant-based. It's a very high-end protein, and I love it. So let's say I'm just on my Facebook page, and I want to go ahead and just talk about protein, saying, hey, we got a nice price on vanilla protein, and if you want to become a member and get it wholesale, yeah. Okay, see where it says learn more. Okay, click the white learn more, and then it'll pop up, or it'll go into, I didn't double click it. Sorry, folks. Okay, there we go. Okay, just double click it. Now, you see, you can read about it. See, when you're a member, you get it for only 22 bucks, which is nice. 34 bucks if you're just, driving by and you want to go into like a store and buy it. Okay, that's always what retail price is. Okay, cool. And, you can get quantities, 1, 2, 5,000. If you want to read about the description, it's well documented. You can see all the seals. You can see competition, because this is high-grade protein powder. This isn't like filler stuff that you buy at Walmart or, the dollar store. For 22 bucks, it's outstanding. And you can see comparable products are 60 to 63 bucks. And they can, it's not that we print it and you believe it. You guys can go to Amazon. You can go to Walmart.com. You can go to GNC. I mean, you can't hide anything when it comes to the internet. Pretty much all wholesale retail prices are exposed. So anyway, people like to go and just make a decision. And if they want to see what's in this protein, see these little pictures here? If you click it, now I can blow this up, for video reasons. I'm not going to go through all this, but you just click these little, what are they called? Thumbnails, I guess. And you can check out exactly what's going on. And if you do want to make a purchase with these, with this product, let's just 100% this product, vanilla flavored protein powder. Do you see the up here? Okay, livegood.com/complete plant-based protein. Okay, this is built by our website. It's by the team builders at LiveGood. Now, this is where you're going to go ahead and complete the link with your affiliate link or your username. Now, see where the N ends? See protein? Okay, now at the end of the protein, you're going to put a / and a question mark. It's the same button on your keyboard. So if you're looking down right now at a home computer, what you're going to do is you're going to put after the protein / question mark, the word enroller with no S, ENROLLER equals. Okay, now the enroller is me. Okay, now my username is CoryDraper. So if your name is Bob Smith, right where mine says CoryDraper, you're just going to put Bob Smith. Okay, so to repeat, go into a product that you like. go ahead and see this link right here. All right, and then after the word in, /, the word enroller equals username. Okay, and then what you can do, see, you just highlight, highlight that whole link. Okay, and right now, let me see if I can make this. Let me go into, where's my Facebook? Okay, there's a Facebook page. Okay, let me bring up my Facebook account, and I'll just hurry and post it on my Facebook link just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's my Facebook account, and then see where it says what's on your mind. That's where everybody, that's where you post, of course. You guys know this. So just go ahead and click it, and then what I do is just right click and then hit paste, and then wait until the picture pops up. See the picture there? Sometimes if you paste this link and you hurry and hit post, I notice that it's just a link like this but no picture. So whenever I post the link, I just wait like 5 seconds. I want this picture to pop up, and then watch. When I hit post, now you'll see what it does on my Facebook page. And like I said, this is for people that they're proud of the products, and they're like, hey, let's not just talk about the affiliate link and make money, make money, make money. You know, sometimes you get bored with that, and I agree. Our products are awesome, so go ahead and promote our products. But what's nice is, let's say someone on my Facebook page, they're just looking at this going, well, why is Cory talking about the protein powder? Maybe we should look into it. Now, when they click this link or anywhere in the picture, it just, okay, here we go. I just click the link, sorry. And you can see it goes right in to the page right here. Okay. And see right there in the middle, see this link right here? See where it's embedded? Well, I will get a commission on this sale retail. So if they just want to purchase retail, because yes, we do get commissions on people that don't join our opportunity as an affiliate. Because this, you got to remember, LiveGood, they are a company that sells wholesale to stores, like a GNC, like Cory's Health Food Store in a mall, or maybe you have like an online business on Amazon, and you just want to sell some badass products on Amazon, through the mail. Okay, so that's what's awesome about that code that I just showed you. Is sometimes you're just tired of going, hey, affiliate, earn money at home. Remember, we really do have some badass products for sale. And it's nice to break it up a little bit and say, and make sure that you buy some products. And I know a lot of people fake it to make it and bull crap on the internet. And it's easy to say, oh, our protein powder's the best, but you've never really tried it. And, I'm sure I've done it. I can't remember if or not, but I was actually buying products before I become an affiliate. But if you got an extra $20, buy the protein powder. If you're looking for protein and you want to feel better, if you like the taste of vanilla, you're going to dig it. It tastes like a dessert. And to be honest, I have like 2 or 3 the little shaker jars. I do like 3 a day. And I know I could get by with just probably 1. But when they taste good like that, you accidentally have 2 or 3. And it's affordable enough where you could afford to do that. Because I'll tell you what, if I was paying $50, $60, I'd do 1 a day. I'd look at the back of okay, Cory, it says 1 shaker bottle jug of protein powder a day. And I'll be like, okay, 1. I'd even have my little teaspoon out and make sure I got it. Because when it's expensive like that, isn't it funny how you really watch it? But when it's affordable, you're like, oh, screw it. And I do put 1 or 2 extra scoops in each serving because it's even thicker and tastier. Like it tastes like a chocolate shake, to be honest. Why not? Why not? I'm not going to pass out and croak live on camera if I'm just having a little extra protein in this body. So, all right, I hope this helps you guys. I'm going to put that code that I just showed you below the video. The main thing is just go in, find a product you like, go to the very end of that URL link, and you're just going to go ahead and put that enroller code. But just remember, you put your username, not mine. And you guys will figure it out. And if you have any questions, I'm easy to get a hold of. Just right below, you know how to get a hold of me just on YouTube here. Just ask a question and it pops on my cell phone automatically anyway, and I see it. So, okay, guys, take care. If you're not in LiveGood, join Cory.com. It's the link right below this video. Watch the 6-minute video. You can see a lot of our products, how we operate, who we are, where we're going. wholesale versus retail pricing. And then the affiliate side is awesome. So if you want to earn money, I mean, yeah, why not? You're going to buy the products anyway, so you might as well make some money, put some cash in that pocket of yours, okay? All right, take care, guys. We'll see you next video. Joincory.com. Click it right now. Okay, see you next video. Bye.